In this module, we are going to discuss about the popular data analysis library, Pandas. In this video, we will cover introduction and features of Pandas. Pandas is an open source BSD licensed library providing high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for the Python programming language, and it was released in 2008 by Wes McKinney. Ever since human has started recording the data, storage and performance has always been an issue because data keeps on growing. We started recording data in the text files, Excels, but these are not sufficient to handle the massive data in terabytes and petabytes. Even 500 MB data cannot be handled using Excel. So to overcome this issue, Pandas has been introduced. The name Pandas is derived from two words, panel and data. It is freely available for both individual and commercial use. Also, you can contribute to the source code at github.com. So you can simply go to the github.com and there you can search for pandas-dev/pandas. If we talk about the life cycle of Pandas, then in 2008 development of Pandas started. In 2009 Pandas became open source. In 2012 first edition of Pandas for data analysis was published. In 2015 Pandas became a NUM-focused sponsored project. And in 2018 first in-person core development sprint was launched. Some of the features of Pandas. Data handling. You can handle data of any size efficiently. Missing data handling. Missing data can be replaced or removed. Read and export data. Pandas allow reading and writing data from and to different file formats like CSV, Excel, etc. Cleaning data. Data necessary for business requirement can be separated from the entire dataset. Merging and joining dataset. Multiple datasets can be combined together in a single dataset. Optimized performance. Offers fast and reliable performance. So with this we have covered the introduction of Pandas. In the next video we will see how to install Pandas on your operating system.